Hey everyone, this is unplanned video. I had to share a revelation with you guys. Yesterday night, my good friend Platycore, the developer, has opened my eyes for a completely new jailbreak tweak, but the tweak is new only for me, I suppose. Because I've heard that many of you know about this tweak and nobody has shared it with me. How rude is that, guys? Okay, just kidding, moving on. Now, this is one tweak that really blew my mind in terms of being able to do wonderful things and enabling you to manipulate the texts and translating the texts within certain apps. Now, this tweak is a free tweak and I'm gonna show its name in a second. I had to record a video on it because it's so freaking useful that I am really blown away, literally blown away with the simplicity but yet usefulness. So I'm not promoting this developer or whatever. It's a free tweak, anybody can get it. And the name of the tweak is Translo. Translo is for me new, for you maybe old tweak, is a tweak which makes your life easier when you want to text with someone from another country and you are not very sure of your English, or you want to type something in their own language, or they type something in English that you don't understand. So it literally translates the text within the app. So you don't need to go to Google Translate, go out, go in. And I know, you will tell me there is Translomatic. Yes, but it's not the same. I have to tell you, this is something else. It's not the same. Translomatic first is a paid tweak, and I respect that, very good, I've been using that. But this one has additional value created because it does everything within the apps. First of all, the apps that it supports are these. So a bunch of apps for texting. Messages, WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. There are many apps that it currently supports, okay? So for example, when you go to messages, you can enable the switch for translating in messages. So it can translate outgoing messages instantly, or it can ask you before sending it, do you want it to be translated? Maybe you're talking to somebody with your own native language, so you don't need to translate it. But maybe you want to send it to somebody else. But if you're texting with people who are not native speakers of your language, you can remove this so it immediately sends it. Also, you can review how it is translated if you just want to check, like me. You can translate from which language. I always put the tech language. I want to see, that doesn't matter, I don't want to preset this. I want to leave it open and translate mainly to English. Also, you can translate posts, incoming messages immediately. You can show the translate button. So literally the app, let me see. So I'm gonna send a message to myself and you can see that there is this icon here next to the message. So when you type on it, right. So you get this, you need to double tap, my mistake. So you need to double tap and it will translate into English. Now it's in English from one of my previous videos, but nevertheless. So I'm gonna type in my language, Serbian, I'm gonna type hello. This is how we say hello. All right? So when I press send, it will immediately ask me, do you want to translate to English? Yes or no? So if I say yes, it will give me hello. Right? I can send it, I can send the original, or I can even hear it.
Hello.
See? So this is pretty amazing. Or you can just send it without these checkings. Maybe you want automatically to be sent. Or you can hold here, and this you can set up the tweak itself within the Messages app. Translate messages, ask before sending review, so you don't have to go to the settings pane as I did before. So when I do this, I said yes, I want to translate it. So it goes and I say send. So immediately translates. Or let's do it again. I'm gonna ask something else here and you will see what it means in English. So first I want to press and hold and I want to show you that I don't want to ask before sending, I don't want to review, right? So I'm just gonna save. Okay, so this should go immediately from my native language, Serbian, to English. So let's see. How are you? You see, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. And I'm sure it's not difficult to be done, but you know, the simplicity of it, the very idea, I don't know what to tell you guys. So it's pretty amazing tweak, and you can do the same thing. The settings for each app is the same. So you have the same settings for each app, which you can review. So you can do it in WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Telegram. So for some apps that you're not using, or you're not texting with anyone who is not, sharing the same language as you don't have to enable it, because I heard that it like takes some memory or something, but I don't care. This is an amazing tweak. Additionally, you can choose the translation service. Of course, I chose Google. I think it's the leader now, but also you can translate the text, right? So for example, so this text is in French, I can type it and I can go on the side and you will see, you can translate it to English or to French. This is what I chose. So I'm gonna say, translate it to English, and I can even hit it, right? So I can copy the text and I can just, paste it here from copy log. As simple as that. So it translates the text within the apps, but also within any text that you want. Right? You can even configure the buttons if you want. I set it up to detect the language and then translate to English or to French, but you can add any button here, right? And you can change it later on. So very customizable. Then you will see the options in the translated copied text, then speak translated text. You can set up here the volume, the rate, the pitch multiplier if you wish. Toast mode settings. This is the little icon that exists near your message, so you can long press to copy the text, or you can auto hide it. So pretty amazing. You can set your favorite languages here. You go inside and you can set certain favorite languages, the languages you will use the most. Okay, short emoji. This is for short emoji tweak. Feedback type. This is not important. Then reset settings and respring. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Maybe I'm too excited for no reason, but I gotta tell you, you have to try Translo and let me know what you think. Now, this is one of my must-have tweaks and it will stay there forever. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.